Vaughn here. In my house, I've always trained my family and my children about gun safety, the purposes of gun, the importance of them to protect innocent life, including their own and their family, their friends. And they grew up around guns, seeing guns, using them, going to their ranges, being trained at home on storage, how to load, unload, clean. When they go to the range, they clean their own gun. When we get home, we all sit at the kitchen table. This is how we've always done it since my kids were very little. Now I got one upper 20s, another one lower 20s, serving in the military, and I got a 6-year-old. And they all know how to use them. They all know how to clean them. They also know about the importance and the safety of guns. We don't rely on the gun, but we know it's a tool. We rely on God to protect us. We rely on educating ourselves, being aware of what's going on around us. And then when we need to use the tool, as Luke 22 tells us, we have it available and can use it. So here's the story I wanted to share today. The other day, let's start off with this. I don't allow children in my bedroom. That has been a rule I've had for decades. Because the bedroom is one place that I will keep one or more firearms. And I believe in gun safety is extremely important. And if you're not teaching your children, you're being negligent. So my 6-year-old had a friend over, and they were playing. As kids always do, not thinking about anything other than playing. And they caught my wife off guard and asked if they can go to the bedroom, and she didn't think about it at that moment. She usually does. But she said, yes, you can go in my bedroom. And so I got up and I followed them in. And on my dresser here, I had that. That's what I carry whenever I leave the house, and sometimes in the house. And I always carry my little mini mag, 18 hours a day, and another weapon. Lightweight, concealable extremely, and easy to use. And they don't jam. So that day I set, when I got home, my PT 945 SS Pearl on my dresser in a Blackhawk Stage 2 holster. Another safety device. Gun safety. Top importance. And they climbed up on the dresser. And I was standing at the door. And the kid, friend, my child, started to touch it. And my 6-year-old, and I'm very proud of this, said, "Don't touch it. That's a real gun. And it's loaded." And that made me proud. Proud of him for doing the right thing, for learning what he needed to learn and understand. And proud of what we have done in our family to protect ourselves and our children and to train them properly in the ways of the Lord and in the ways of the firearm and in the ways of the world on how to protect yourself from getting in a situation. But situations will happen. They do every day. So train your children. Anytime my child wants to touch a gun, we can unload it, have it double checked, and remind him of muzzle awareness, and he can play with it. And I'm right there with him, close, so that muzzle awareness is doubly insured. And then if he wants to shoot it, guess what? 5 minutes away, anytime he wants. The curiosity is gone. He's not curious about the firearm. He shoots it when he wants. He has his own, sitting in the safe, anytime he wants. He doesn't want to that much, you know why? The curiosity is gone. Oh, he likes his Nerf guns, I'll tell you that. Him and his friends, they love to go out playing good guys, bad guys, war, or just shooting and having fun, target practicing. Oh, they love guns and play, but the curiosity about what does this do? It's pretty, blah, 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 blah. Don't have it. Why? Because they've been trained and they handle them. That's what you need to do to your children so that they can have this kind of response when the occasion happens, if it does. Always carry. God bless.